and welcome to another video from SatNav Systems. My name is Adam, and today I want to present you a latest system in entertainment systems. So this is a tablet style entertainment system installed in the Audi SQ7, which doesn't have the normal headrest. It's a seat that has this headrest molded in together as a one. So it makes it a bit more tricky to install anything to these cars, as normally you would install screens attached to either the headrest or replacing the headrest. But this system allows to, this is the latest generation entertainment system that allows to overcome that problem, and it's also available for cars with normal normal seats. So what you're getting is the latest tablet style screen, and it's like a smart screen, almost like a kind of smart entertainment system. We are in the main menu here, where you can see all your sources. So you've got HDMI, smart stream, so you can stream directly from your phone. Not all phones are compatible, but Androids are. The Apple phones, it has to be done by the cable. It's got a USB, SD card. You can Wi-Fi dual screens, so you can watch each other's screen. You've got apps, which are really interesting, and some setup features. So I'll show you here what it does. So we can go to apps, and at the moment it's got only two pre-installed, Google Chrome and Netflix. Using Play Store, when you register your account, you can add more apps to it, YouTube and any other ones that you wish. You can download to the system and use it. Just to show you operation, the screen connects to Wi-Fi hotspot. I have selected my phone to be a Wi-Fi hotspot, so it allows me to use it, and it's connected online. At the moment we're in the Google Chrome, so you can see, for example, browsing our website. You can browse a website, like for example SatNav Systems website here. You can see products and select what you want to see and read and so on. You can. I've got also YouTube here open, so you can watch things from YouTube, but you can also upload the app from the Play Store, as I've shown before, to the system, and so you don't have to go to the Google Chrome. You can just use the app, YouTube app for that. The system comes with wireless headphones, so you get two headphones for each screen. I mean, two headphones in total, so one for each screen, and also allows you to play the sound through the car speakers, which I'm going to demonstrate. So I'm going to press play, and we can hear. It's connected by radio waves to the car system now, and shows you the plays the sound to the car speakers. It's there. I'm just gonna stop this. We can also go to let me just press this. We can also go to well, I think this is the most exciting one, Netflix, which is very popular service. Go in there. And you can, if you again log into the system, if you've got an account with Netflix, you can have access to all the video library, movie library to watch, so you can keep yourself entertained while you drive. I mean, while you're being driven, and that gives you the latest sort of access to the latest things. So it can be Amazon Prime videos, could be Netflix, could be any other stream services like I don't remember the other names, but all the ones that you can download the apps for will work on the system. So you've got each screen has got the connections here. So you've got a USB, SD card, HDMI, so you can plug in all the devices to it. The one of the screens also have it has DVD player, which is this one, which the DVD player is here, and I'm in the screen now, so you can play that here. Let me show you now. So we play the video and it plays that, and you can watch the same on the other screen. So you just press dual screen here, and it switches over. So what you can see in here, we'll be able to see here. So now we're watching a video on both screens. Sorry for reflections, but it's a bit sunny day today. And yeah, the screen has an amazing adjustment in terms of the angle, so you can adjust it almost all the way up, almost like becomes like a table, and down. So whatever height you are, you will be able to have a good angle to watch it. Also, as you've got a nice clear space for your legs to watch, so it's not in the way, and it's directly in the face to watch the screen. So it's really nice position for it. It looks very neat. As well, you can watch what's on this screen. On this screen, you can do the other way around. So if we switch over to let's go back to apps, and let's select Netflix, and just select any random film here. Let me just lower the volume. You can also do the same here. So it works both ways. So we select home button and dual screen, and when it switches over from here, you will be able to see the same here. So there you go. So we're watching now the same thing, what's happening on this screen. So in summary, both screens have the same apps to work with. So let me just show you. So you can go to apps here, and you've got the same here as you have here. Because it's the same, you need to log in yourself on both screens. So I have logged in on this screen in terms of watching the Netflix. We're here. This one hasn't been set up, but you need to do it so you can also watch on here. And so you can watch whatever is on this screen, you can watch on the other, and vice versa. Both screens have the USB, HDMI connection, and so on. Both, one of them has the DVD in addition, so you can watch movies. Obviously, most people are moving away from DVDs now, so I think Netflix and services like Amazon Prime Videos and so on will probably take over. So this is prepared for that. There's also one more feature, which is the remote app that allows to control these screens through your phone. So if you're sitting at the front and you want to control what the rear passengers are watching or doing, you can easily access it through your phone, and then select for them to watch and so on. So the way it works is you have to download the app for this system. Once you're in it, you'll be able to, once you access the app, you will see, sorry, let me just focus this, there you go. You will see the screens to connect with. I'm connected with this one. So once we connect, you can see now we have this, hold on, can you hold this for me? There you go. We're going to switching hands. So you can see I've got the same on this screen. It shows what's on this one. So if I go now, select home, everything changes, so you can see both screens are showing the same thing. So let's say we go to apps, select them, and select let's say Netflix. We go here and it opens Netflix. So on both screens you'll see the same thing, which is brilliant. So if you have passengers that you want to restrict what to watch and what to do on these screens, you can do that from controlling it from your phone, from the front, while you're driving and so on. These are like the next generation entertainment system, which is up to date with all the latest features, internet, apps, and access to all the sources like HDMI, USB. Guarantees that the system will keep the passengers on the rear entertained with all these options. For more information, please email us info@satnavsystems.com, and we can assist you with more information regarding compatibility and so on. Thank you.